Today we will learn how to make the skincare quality aloe vera gel. We need a fresh aloe vera leaf and about 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. First, cut the end parts of the leaf, then cut out the skin. After that, cut one side of the skin and scrape out the inside of the leaf with a spoon. Aloe vera is rich in enzymes, minerals, vitamin A, C, E, and B12. Its gel is the best substitution of vitamin E oil without the greasiness. Aloe vera contains 8 enzymes and plays a major role in helping to reduce excessive inflammation when applied to the skin topically. The vitamins in aloe vera leaves are great in soothing, moisturizing, and hydrating skin. They also have great healing properties, which work really well on sunburns and scars. That is why aloe vera gel is the most essential skincare item post-laser treatment or chemical peeling. It helps the skin heal very quickly. As you see, its natural gel is too sticky and too thick to apply directly on the skin. So I will use grinder to soften it. When you are using the grinder to make the gel smoother, you have to make sure you don't overdo it because you don't want the gel to become too watery. I will add about 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. The rosemary oil in the gel will work not only as a natural preservative, but will also stimulate the skincare benefit effect on skin. It can help reduce puffiness by removing excess water from the skin, as well as boosting the anti-aging effect. The gel looks very watery now, but it will get thickened a bit in approximately 3 days. Pour the liquid gel in a clean skincare jar and keep it in the refrigerator for about 3 days. Save the remaining gel, and I will show you how to make some amazing skincare products with it. Now I will make a skin brightening mask and a natural exfoliator with the aloe vera gel. The brightening skin mask will need 2 spoons of rice powder and 1 spoon of jojoba oil to add in this aloe vera gel. Mix the ingredients well until it becomes paste-like. Now the mask is done. Apply the rice paste over your skin evenly. You can apply to any thickness you want. Leave the mask on your skin for about at least 20 minutes. I will wipe the mask off with a paper towel in this video, but you should really use water to wash it off. Now it's time for making the natural exfoliator. Do not wash the mask off completely, but leave some paste on the skin. Gently rub it around your face for a gentle exfoliating effect. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Goodbye.